welcome humming high, and welcome shadows long and deep, and stars that from the pale sky peep. Welcome all to me, ye say, my woodland love is on her way. Upon the soft wind floats ahead, her breath is in the dewy air, her steps are in the whispered sound that steals along the stilly ground. O dawn of day, rosy bough, what art thou to this witching hour? O noon of day, in sunshine bright,